What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are gonna forget about regular degular pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving, because what we have here is some amazing pumpkin cheesecake. This is next level, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients that we will be working with today. These will also be down in the description box. And this is such an easy recipe, but yet also delicious, guys. For real, I'm trying to inform you. All right, so go ahead and get your mixing bowl and go ahead and get that cream cheese in that bowl. Make sure your cream cheese is room temperature, okay? Very important. And if you don't have a stand mixer, you could use a hand mixer. Whatever you have on hand, make it work, guys. So here I'm adding a little bit of vanilla extract. We are also adding our pumpkin spice as well as our sugar. It seems like a lot of sugar, but trust me. And also I tossed in some pumpkin puree, and like I said again, everything will be down in the description box. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a mix first. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, stop the mixer, give it a little stir, you know what I mean, scrape up the sides of the bowl and whatnot, mix it again until we're ready to add the remainder of the ingredients. And I'm gonna let all of you guys in on a little secret. Cheesecake is my kryptonite. It's good in moderations, but you know, it goes straight to the waistline if you have too much of it, but it is so good. I love cheesecake. Anytime I go out to a restaurant or something like that, I always gotta have me a slice for dessert. It is my favorite, hands down. Let me know if you love cheesecake as much as I do. Let me know down in the comments. So now, after the first initial ingredients are pretty much mixed in properly, we are now gonna mix in a little bit of all-purpose flour, all right? And once that all-purpose flour is mixed up and combined, we are then gonna add in 3 large eggs. And we're not gonna add the eggs just all at once. We're gonna kind of slowly pour these eggs in there. You're gonna see how I do it here. Just slowly pour in each egg one at a time. Keep the mixer going until everything is well combined. So this is the consistency you're looking for once you're all done mixing everything up. And we are gonna pour this up into our pie crust. Yes, these are pre-made graham cracker pie crust. Got them from the grocery store. These are, I believe, 8 inches each. They normally have bigger pre-made crust, but you know, with the holidays and everything sold out. It's hard to find them. The shelf was completely empty, so we're working with what we got here. So go ahead and pour up your batter just like so. At this point, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 300 degrees, and we are gonna grab a oven safe pan, I should say, and we're gonna fill that with a little bit of water. So we're gonna create sort of a water bath so this can bake in. You're gonna see me bring that onto the screen shortly here. So this is the water bath I was referring to. Be careful not to overfill it too much and end up getting water in your pie. That will be no good and a disaster. So put a little bit of water, not too much, guys, not too much, okay? So go ahead and do that to both pies, and we are gonna stick these bad boys in the oven, and we are gonna let them go for about 55 minutes to an hour at 300 degrees. And keep in mind, some ovens run a little hot, run a little cold, so the time may vary a little bit, so keep an eye on it. And this is how they should be looking when they're pretty much done. You go ahead and take them out the oven, and we are gonna leave them in that water bath to slowly cool down. We don't want to shock it and end up, you know, with our cake cracking or whatnot. So go ahead and let it cool down very, very slowly. And this is when it's fully cooled down to room temperature. I like a little extra protection. I threw some saran wrap, then threw the cover on it. And we are gonna refrigerate this for about 8 hours. I know it's tempting, but let that thing refrigerate, let it set. And this is the end result, guys. Pure goodness, pure love, amazing pumpkin cheesecake, best of both worlds. I'm trying to let you know. I'm trying to put you on. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to put you in the loop. For real, for real. This is bomb. This is fire. This is amazing. And it will make your Thanksgiving oh so much more special when you can finish off your dinner with this right here. This right here. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys tried this one out. And I will see you on the next video, guys. Deuces.